The quiet answer. Stop before you say something you will regret. Have you ever destroyed a beautiful relationship just because you could not stay silent for 1 minute? Sometimes, one quiet moment can save years of love. Aman and Kavya were close friends. They understood each other without many words. One day, a small misunderstanding created a big problem. Kavya said angrily, "You never support me." Aman replied loudly, "You never trust me." Their voices became higher. Their hearts became heavier. Both wanted to prove they were right. No one wanted to stay quiet. Finally, Aman stopped speaking. He looked at Kavya, but he said nothing. Kavya was still angry. "Why are you silent now?" she asked. Aman took a deep breath. He said softly, "Because I don't want to hurt you more." There was silence between them, but this silence was not empty. It was calm. It was honest. Kavya's anger slowly faded. She realized his silence was not weakness. It was care. Tears filled her eyes. She said quietly, "I am sorry." Aman smiled gently. "Me too," he replied. That day, they understood something important. Winning an argument feels good for a moment, but saving a relationship feels good for a lifetime. Sometimes, silence is not weakness, it is strength. So next time you feel angry, try silence first. If you believe peace is more powerful than words, like, subscribe, and share this message.